Hello guys, today we'll discuss Amazon Merch versus KDP, watch print on demand better. Today we'll discuss about the process, features and pricing of Merch and KDP. Here is my honest opinion. Amazon Merch, what are the process with reach with Amazon Merch, access massive customer pass providing unparalleled exposure for your products. No upfront cost. Amazon Merch eliminates you need to upfront cost allowing you start selling your designs without any financial risk, and integrated platform being integrated with Amazon ecosystem. Merch simplifies the selling process, offering seamless integration with other Amazon service. Quality assurance. Amazon maintains high standard for product quality and customer service, ensuring positive shopping experience for buyers. What are the cons? Eliminate control. Will Amazon Merch offer confidence and with limited design option and the customized action compared to other platform? Approval process. Merch is hard to get approval. Par contre, KDP is you can make account for free and you can start uploading your book for free, low content book and high content book and medium content book, and you can upload the quantity can lead to saturations and making challenge to find niches and uploading process book on Amazon KDP, and especially when you're reviewing which can upload multiple variations and multiple books, and you can make money easy with your books and make passive income with Amazon KDP. And this is the quick uploading process on KDP. You can run advertising both on Amazon Merch and Amazon KDP, and you can start make money online fast. Thanks guys for watching this video. See you another video soon. Don't skip like, share this video, subscribe to my channel for more content and for more comparison. And guys, you can start Amazon and it's easy to make money with fast. Just follow trend topics and make a t-shirt and without copyright and trademark.